Yep. Groundhog in this bitch. Look, I'm on a whole nother level. I'm higher than a pigeon, hotter than a tea kettle. Meadows in my area, bitch check my criteria. I be up in the party, hardly moving from my area. Hater, I will bury ya. I only fuck with real niggas. Southern hospitality, so yeah, they know we trill, nigga. Tryna touch a meal, nigga. Tell me how you feel, nigga. Been doing this since childhood, and now I just do way bigger. Everybody know us when we show up. Got my flow up, now all I do is go up. Get my dough up till I blow up. Ay, we ain't leaving till the sunrise. You couldn't see me even if you had a third eye. Yeah, we got some liquor, of course we got some weed. Bitches to my right and left, that's everything we need. All we need, house party, blowing on Bob Marley. Bitches getting down and bitches is getting our leg. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. Chillin' with my niggas, we blowing on Bob Marley.
Wake up in the morning to a breath of fresh air. Smell of weed smoke, shit I don't even care. Holding on the bottle like I'm 2 years old. Sipping on that Tussin, but I don't got a call. Basically, that's my life. Couldn't sell, but I still got ice. Tank shit go, a nigga try. Thought my jersey couldn't take my life, but I'll take your wife to that San Jose. Money fat, but his belly won't fuck. These bills new, these bills old. Pick and choose, but know your role. I'm paid in full, no need to borrow. Tank shit, bitch, get away, you on home. Call me honest, all caps and bold. That's me to the 3rd degree to follow. I'm solid, 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 nigga. Fuck what you hollin'. So bad, millionaire, and call that Yanni J stylin'. I've been wildin' for miles and shit. She said I'm living big, I said get off my dick. Flyer than a bat, and I'm pissing out Bacardi. Headed to the house party, macking something hella gnarly.
Yeah, we got some liquor, of course we got some weed. Bitches to my right and left, that's everything we need. All we need, house party, blowing on Bob Marley. Bitches getting down and bitches is getting our leg. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. Chillin' with my niggas, we blowing on Bob Marley.
I'm with the team, blowing on the green. This the house party, nigga, swag so mean. The beat so clean, you suckers ain't bout cream. I hop up on the scene, young nigga tryna scheme. Bad bitches all around, I'm on top. Young, so the kid not tryna cup, but I'm gon' live it up. Sip what's in my cup, my nigga, I'll be rolling up. Let's go smoke it up, I'm high and still ain't smoked enough. I'm so gnarly, blowing on the Marley. This the house party, look at what you fuckers started. My flow retarded, don't get CJ started. Only 19 on some new shit, yeah I really do this. What you thought you knew this? Nah nigga, clueless. I'm rocking with the crew, bitch. Party smacking too thick, stunting with my new chick. Man, her ass is too thick, I'm off this drinking too lit.
Yeah, we got some liquor, of course we got some weed. Bitches to my right and left, that's everything we need. All we need, house party, blowing on Bob Marley. Bitches getting down and bitches is getting our leg. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. House party, house party, house party. Chillin' with my niggas, we blowing on Bob Marley.
I said fuck with me and then we gone. Some sticky, break it down and now we blown. Hit the house party, coming from a house party, coming unannounced, darling. Warning, my swag alarm and demeanor is so cleaner. Bad bitches attracted, real and confident. Rarely do I be bragging, I swear niggas be lying. Why niggas be acting, swearing they pulling bitches, but no they bitches be catting. More lies to tell like you can't post bail. More lies to tell than that nigga in jail. I'm milking your bitch after she milking your mail. You handcuffing these hoes, my mouthpiece pay the bail. Meantime, I'm at your local house party smoking fire, while your storytelling niggas at your local campfire. Looking dumb, waiting for your chance to dance. She got me spilling my liquor the way she shaking that ass.
Yeah, we got some liquor, of course we got some weed. Bitches to my right and left, that's everything we need. All we need, house party, blowing on Bob Marley. Bitches getting down and bitches is getting our leg. House party, house party, house party.